Hi friends, welcome to another episode of my cooking rubric. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe about traditional Bulgarian banitsa or cheese pie with phyllo dough. The stuffing is very important and super easy to make. You're going to need to mix feta cheese with some ricotta, and I will leave the list of ingredients and proportions in the description, so make sure to check that one out. And then add the egg and the sour cream and mix well. It is important that all ingredients are room temperature. And the last thing that you need to add is a little bit of baking powder. Mix again and your stuffing is ready. Prepare the cooking pan and then place some cooking paper on top. Spray with some oil that is appropriate for high heat cooking and prepare your phyllo dough. Phyllo dough is very delicate, and if it's not, then that means something's wrong with it, so make sure to choose another one. So you're going to need about 4 layers of the phyllo dough because it is so delicate and it's most likely going to break, but that's okay. And then generously spread the stuffing on top and roll just like I'm showing in the video. And then do the same with the rest of the phyllo dough and the rest of the stuffing. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees and bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. So as soon as you take the banitsa right out of the oven, sprinkle with some cold water and then cover with paper and a towel on top. This is a trick that is going to make the pie very soft and fluffy. Wait about an hour to cool down and then enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in such videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button with the bell so that you'll be notified every time when I upload a new video. And I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!